It's raining.
Success. And get that fire going.
This about the Centurion strikes me.
Doggy paper, never need.
Put the papers back in the bag now, okay?
Okay, put the papers until we need them. Yay! This thing started it good. Me and Jim started it. So you and then we all came out here and got bigger and bigger, didn't we?
You mean Jim and I?
Yes, Justin. Jim and I. Not I and Jim. Talking about somebody else in the family, you always have to say, Jim and I.
No, you always put the other person first.
Oh, yeah, that's what I said, didn't I? What about this? What's this, Jim? Look, it exploded like gas! Don't burn that. That is a rug. If anybody needs anything... Whoa! That's too wet, Jim. Better than sitting on muddy sand. Oh, that is mud. Uh-oh. Ooh, don't hit it, Danny, because that looks like ours. Well, just go cake.
Close the door, honey. The door has to be closed.
Justin, close the door. I'm not.
37, okay.
I'm not getting the last one in.
That door has to be closed.
The last one in.
Where's Andrew? Slow down, slow down. Nobody start yet, Michael.
Slow down. Don't jiggle the table.
Justin. Look at this. Let me
Is
see.
everybody here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay. Now we can sing Happy Birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Melinda. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, look at all the milks. Look at milks are all going the same way.
What a good girl.
But yeah, my man. I'm eating. How old are you? I'm eating.
Calm down.
A $10 bill, a $1.
And even for his
What?
40.
You're left yourself.
Oh, what do you say? Boy, I need some money, honey.
What we are
Well,
recording
this is
here
mine. Sorry.
is Mama's Messy Kitchen for all of prosperity.
6,
Done.
Oh, it's posterity with a T, right, Justin?
9, 10, 11, 12,
all
13, 14,
things.
15, 16,
Okay,
17,
you like that cake, huh?
18, snackaroos. Here, Mom, put this in your purse and don't use it.
And there's
You shouldn't give this to me.
there's some serious Bible study going on there.
Linda, you gave it to her.
Let's see. What did I do with that?
Hi, Jim.
Hi, who? Oh, hi. Me.
Okay, Andrew, here I come. I'm gonna zoom right in on you.
Is there any more cake? I want some more cake. I'm thirsty.
There.
Calm
There's
down,
Andrew eating
dear.
that cake. Wow, Andrew, do you like chocolate cake? Oh, again.
Calm down.
Say that again, what? Oh, you want seconds? Okay, let me cut up the other cake.
What is it? Okay. What is this? Cake?
Wait,
You might like to-
my piece is
Who
over
did I
here.
miss? There's Michael
Here,
and Danny.
here.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
And let me get Justin again. Where's Justin?
Right here.
There he is. He's real fast with the
Second.
seconds there.
Okay, I'm ready for my second.
Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna have to turn this off and
Mr. Page, would you like some cake?
Yes, ma'am.
I know.
Kabunga!
Hey, Danny. Let's see what time it is now. It's raining out.
What time is it?
It's 5 minutes of 9.
It's 5 minutes of 9! What's that?
Hey, what's going on over there? Andrew, don't you do that.
Andrew, no! I'm going. He usually does it about 3 times, so I'll just play this down.
Well, maybe if we put him on that and get contrast on
All right. Well, no, the camera seems to be right at the limit of the lens. It won't go any farther. Because it just gets out of focus when I get in a little closer.
Now, the finger.
Oh, that's good.
Don't you think?
What?
There's an awful lot of water in here.
Yeah, I think I put a little too much in.
Well, you can remedy that by mixing in more cat food. Get the grass out of there too, okay?
Grass.
Pieces of moss.
Oh.
You want to see if you'll eat something right now? I'll put some meat in here for you, okay?
Okay. You want a little more to eat? Sure. Come on, Flapper. We call him Flapper. The way he flaps. Want to see his skin?
I'll knock this down a little bit. Here you go. Here you go.
Okay, bird.
You ready to go upstairs?
Yeah, I know better.
Did you have enough to eat?
Are you hungry? Stop it.
He may not be hungry because we just fed him. If he were, he'd be eating.
Stop it. You just fed him, so he must not be hungry.
It's good that he's eating, because then you don't have to force feed him.
It's not the finger.
Then you know that you're not going to feed him too much.
Good night, Andrew.
Oh, I have to take these things off. Did we go to the beach today? Did you go swimming? Yes. Did you almost drown?
Yes.
Well,
When?
not quite. You lost your balance, though. Second time you found it all by yourself. Second time, remember the second time when you lost your balance?
Yeah.
And then you got
you want
your
me to
feet
close
all
that
around
picture of the
all by
bird?
yourself.
I can't get
Big
too
bird.
close.
I know how. Yeah.
It won't focus. It's just a blur when I get too close. The
I was
other,
taking a picture of your foot.
the other camera, I can get a little closer.
What other camera?
The still camera, 35.
But when we get close like this, it automatically
No,
focuses.
it's all blurred. It's too close to the lens. The lens can't handle it that close.
I handled stuff that close and it did. We call this guy Flapper because he always flaps.
Well, we can review the tape and see what happens, but what I see in the viewfinder is just a blob. But I think I can get closer, Jim, with the flash camera. Do you think a flash would bother it?
My
You want me to try it or not?
watch this kind of video a while. What we do on the green sleeping bag, you know, we put down these and we try and make him fly, get some exercise to spread his wings. Want to see his wing?
Mm-hmm.
He's been shedding some small feathers. The other one that fell out of the nest died. He was dead when we found it.
How many were there?
5 in the nest, 3 are still in there, but it was very crowded. And 2 fell. 1 died. This guy fell on all the metal, but he was okay. The other guy fell on just a hardwood floor and died.
Where did they build the nest, Jim?
In the trailer.
Well, I mean, what part of the trailer? Where?
In